wondering who running, cause all this money gotta come through me. Ayy, I keep it realer than real. Fuck all the critics and fuck how they feel. I'm getting money, it is what it is. They wanna know how I did what I did. Don't worry about why I do what I do, bitch, cause I ain't worried about you, bitch.
Some flavoring oils. This is the tropical punch one. As you can see, the consistency is very thick. That's what the fractionated coconut oil is for. When you use the coconut oil, that's going to thin everything straight on out. Now I'm just adding glitter pigment, just a little bit. Glitter pigments will also be available on my website for you to purchase on your own and to even re-up. Now I'm just playing around with the lip gloss base and the pigments mixed together. This is before I added the coconut oil. Also, you need to add coconut oil, and you really shouldn't add any other oils other than that. You can, but I'm not sure if it'll come out good. I know you're thinking, can I try olive oil? But maybe you can, because I've tried it before. But with olive oil, it's going to leave a tint. This is just with coconut oil, and I'm stirring it around to make sure that everything's in place, because you don't want anything to be thick and you also don't want it to be too thin neither. So you have to find a good consistency that work for you. And I'm just playing around with this mixture because honestly I was only trying to fill like 1 or 2 tubes up and just basically come up with a color for my personal lip gloss line. This one was just like a pinkish Barbie pink color, and I also made a peach color, and you'll see that soon what I made. And I also made a purple one. They're really pretty, they're pigmented, and I only used a little bit of pigment, literally about 2 to 3 shakes, and that's all you need. You do not need to pour what's given. All that's what's given in the lip gloss kit or what I provide, because that's too much pigment and you are wasting your time. No, I'm not going to tell you exactly what pigments I use for my own personal color that I got for this, but it's tons of purples in the kit. I left this part in the video just to show you guys trial and error that I had to go through. I added too much lip gloss base in the syringe, so it wouldn't close. But you need space in between, period. Lip gloss bases will be on my website, and also I'll have pre-made pouches for y'all. So the colors that I was making, oh yeah, y'all definitely can order it. If you don't feel like mixing up nothing, you want to skip this process, okay, cool, then go ahead and buy this pre-made pouch with all of the pigments and all of the glitters. All you got to do is add coconut oil. That's it. When you get those pipettes, I'm going to give you about 6. But when you get those pipettes, you need to cut off the first part where the fat part is at, the squeezer, and a little bit of the bottom part. That's how you're going to achieve this tunnel, this straw, this passageway for you to put everything inside of the syringe, because the syringe is needed for you to fill your lip gloss tubes, if that makes any sense. When you're filling the tubes, You need to go very slow and go from right to left, right to left. Or you can go left to right, left to right. But when you go left to right, you make sure you move up. Make sure you move up. That's all. It's very simple once you get the concept of it. Sometimes you may overthink stuff, but it's not that hard at all to make a lip gloss once you get the hang of it. It's actually really fun, but it's messy. You see that now. You really have to make sure you sanitize your tubes and wipe them down. Also, once it's wiped down and everything, you need to sanitize it with alcohol. Because look, my sticker not even sticking because it's so glossy. Like, it's messy, it's glossy. You don't want to sell somebody a lip gloss like that. Look, my sticker can't even go on. Wow. Because it was messy and it was glossy. But I already knew that. I just wanted to show y'all to not skip the process of sanitizing. Also, try not to fill up the tubes at the top because it's going to be really messy and you still have to put the top part back on of the bottom of the lip gloss. And these are my gold lip gloss tubes, my lip gloss pouches, lip gloss base, syringes, and everything you need.